Huawei Honor X6b ISP EMMC Pinout Test Point. Are you looking to troubleshoot, fix hardware issues, or unlock your Honor X6b? The ISP Pinout connection offers many benefits. By utilizing the EasyJTAG Plus Box, you can bypass the FRP lock and reset your user data, saving you time and money by avoiding costly repairs or service center visits. Accessing the ISP Pinout for your Honor X6b is easy with our step-by-step guide below. Z3X Samsung tool, EasyJTAG, and UFI box can bypass Honor X6b fingerprint, pattern, and screen locks. It doesn't matter how much knowledge you have of Android software. This method will make the problem disappear quickly. If you see the message, USB not recognized, your USB doesn't work. You can only use this method if your battery is fully charged and your USB port works properly. Remember to leave your questions in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. We must identify the test point to initiate communication with the EMMC chip on the Honor X6b. This is a specific location on the device's PCB where we can establish a connection for ISP operations. By carefully examining the device's schematics and conducting thorough research, we can pinpoint the test point and proceed towards further exploration. What is Honor X6b ISP Pinout? Before discussing the specifics of the Honor X6b ISP EMMC Pinout, it's important to understand what ISP EMMC Pinouts are. ISP, in-system programming, EMMC, embedded multimedia card. Pinout refers to a set of connections on a smartphone's printed circuit board, PCB, that allows direct communication with the device's storage chip. This interface is essential for repairing and recovering data from faulty or damaged storage devices. Honor X6b ISP EMMC Pinout image. Now that we have the test point image, let's explore some of the key pinout connections on the Honor X6b. Understanding these connections is crucial for successful ISP EMMC operations. The following are some of the notable pinouts on the Honor X6b. 1. VCCQ. This pin provides power to the flash memory. 2. CLK. The clock pin ensures synchronized data transfer between the device and the storage chip. 3. CMD. The command pin is responsible for initiating read and write commands to the storage. 4. DAT0, DAT7. These pins facilitate data transfer to and from the flash memory. The EasyJTAG Plus and UFI box dongles are highly recommended for fixing a dead boot on any phone, including Honor X6b. These boxes are particularly useful when phones are flashed with the wrong firmware that prevents the startup screen from appearing. To repair the boot, you will need these boxes. Additionally, some phone brands do not allow the removal of various locks such as PIN, pattern, password, FRP, and MDM. However, these boxes enable you to remove these locks with ease. How to remove Honor X6b FRP lock using UFI dongle. Check Direct EMMC ISP. Then click on Identify EMMC. Connect your Honor X6b to the PC via a USB cable. Head over to the PC and open Device Manager. If your device is located there, run the UFI box. Go to User Area part. Now click on Special Task, Huawei Master Clear Wipe Data Only. Now click on Special Task, Clear FRP Lock. Done.